Kurnool, a city in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, India, beckons travelers with the promise of adventure and discovery. Nestled between the lush green hills and the serene Tungabhadra River, this city is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be explored. Here, the echoes of a rich historical past intertwine with the vibrant pulse of nature's wonders. The ancient ruins stand as silent storytellers, narrating tales of bygone eras, while being enveloped by the verdant embrace of nature. Kurnool is a place where ancient temples stand as silent witnesses to the passage of time, their intricate carvings and majestic structures offering a glimpse into the architectural brilliance of the past. And where verdant hills and sparkling rivers offer a sanctuary for the soul, the natural beauty of Kurnool provides a perfect backdrop for those seeking peace and tranquility. Whether you seek to delve into the annals of history or lose yourself in the embrace of nature's beauty, Kurnool has something to offer every discerning traveler. From the thrill of exploring ancient ruins to the serenity of hiking through lush landscapes, the city caters to all kinds of adventurers. Kurnool has something to offer every discerning traveler. The diverse landscapes, ranging from rugged terrains to serene riversides, provide endless opportunities for exploration and enjoyment. Kurnool's strategic location on the banks of the Tungabhadra River has played a pivotal role in shaping its destiny. This river has not only nourished the land, but also served as a lifeline for the city's inhabitants throughout history. As the former capital of the Vijayanagara Empire, the city has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, leaving behind a legacy of architectural marvels and cultural treasures. The remnants of this grand empire can still be seen in the form of majestic structures and intricate carvings that dot the landscape, leaving behind a legacy of architectural marvels and cultural treasures. These historical monuments stand as a testament to the city's glorious past and its enduring cultural heritage. Today, Kurnool stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of its people, a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of history, culture, and natural splendor. The bustling streets and lively markets reflect the city's dynamic and resilient character, a vibrant tapestry woven from the threads of history, culture, and natural splendor. The local festivals and artisan crafts showcase the rich cultural traditions that have been passed down through generations. Join us as we embark on a captivating journey to uncover the hidden gems of this remarkable city. From its historical landmarks to its natural beauty, Kurnool promises an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Kurnool's historical significance is evident in its numerous landmarks that have stood the test of time. This city, located in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, is a treasure trove of history and culture, offering a glimpse into the past through its well-preserved monuments and ancient structures. The Kurnool Fort, a majestic structure that dates back to the 16th century, is one of the most iconic landmarks in the city. Built by the Vijayanagara Empire, this fort has witnessed numerous historical events and has been a silent spectator to the changing tides of time. It stands as a proud reminder of the city's glorious past, with its walls echoing the stories of bravery and resilience. The fort's strategic location and robust construction made it a formidable defense structure in its heyday. Its imposing ramparts and intricate carvings whispered tales of valiant kings and fierce battles, transporting visitors back to an era of valor and grandeur. Each stone in the fort seems to have a story to tell, a story of a time when honor and courage were the order of the day. Exploring the fort is like stepping into a time machine where every corner reveals a new chapter of history. Guided tours offer fascinating insights into the fort's past, making it a must-visit for history enthusiasts and curious travelers alike. Another architectural marvel that graces Kurnool is the Alampur Temple. This ancient temple complex dedicated to Lord Shiva is a testament to the architectural prowess of the Chalukya dynasty. The Alampur temple complex is not just a place of worship, but also a symbol of the region's rich cultural heritage. The temples are adorned with exquisite carvings that depict scenes from Hindu mythology, showcasing the artistic brilliance of the craftsmen of that era. The intricate stone carvings and the grandeur of the temple architecture are a sight to behold. Each carving tells a story of devotion, artistry, and the rich traditions that have been passed down through generations. The temples are adorned with exquisite carvings that depict scenes from Hindu mythology, showcasing the rich artistic heritage of the region. These carvings are not just decorative elements, but are also a medium through which the stories and teachings of Hinduism are conveyed. The Alampur Temple Complex is a living museum of art and architecture where every stone and every carving has a story to tell. It is a place where history, art, and spirituality come together in a harmonious blend. A visit to the Alampur Temple is not just a pilgrimage, but also a journey through the annals of Indian art and architecture. It is an experience that leaves visitors in awe of the rich cultural heritage and the timeless beauty of this ancient temple complex. No visit to Kurnool is complete without experiencing the breathtaking beauty of the Nallamala Hills. These hills are not just a geographical feature, but a living, breathing entity that has shaped the culture and lifestyle of the region for centuries. These ancient hills are part of the Eastern Ghats, form a picturesque backdrop to the city. Their majestic presence is a constant reminder of nature's grandeur and the timeless beauty that has stood the test of time. The Nallamala Hills offer a sanctuary for nature enthusiasts and adventure seekers alike. Whether you're an avid hiker or a casual trekker, the hills provide a variety of trails that cater to all levels of experience. The hills are cloaked in dense forests, home to a diverse array of flora and fauna. From towering trees to delicate wildflowers, the biodiversity here is astounding, making it a paradise for botanists and wildlife photographers. This rich biodiversity makes it a paradise for trekking and wildlife spotting. Imagine walking through a forest where every turn reveals a new species, a new sound, a new sight. For those seeking an adrenaline rush, the Nallamala Hills offer ample opportunities for rock climbing and rappelling. The rugged terrain and challenging cliffs provide the perfect playground for thrill seekers. The challenging terrain and stunning views from the summit make it an unforgettable experience for adventure enthusiasts. Reaching the peak, you are rewarded with panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. Whether you choose to explore its hidden trails, marvel at its cascading waterfalls, or discover its secret caves, each adventure is a story waiting to be told. Or simply soak in the tranquility of its surroundings, the Nallamala Hills promise an experience that will stay with you long after you've left. The serene landscape, the whispering winds, and the rustling leaves create a symphony of nature that calms the soul and invigorates the spirit. Nestled amidst the Nallamala Hills lies the Rayalaseema Wildlife Sanctuary, a haven for wildlife enthusiasts and nature lovers. This sprawling sanctuary is home to a diverse range of animals, including tigers, leopards, sloth bears, and a variety of deer species. A jeep safari through the sanctuary offers a thrilling opportunity to witness these magnificent creatures in their natural habitat. The sanctuary is also home to the Sri Sailam Dam, one of the largest hydroelectric projects in India. The dam, built across the Krishna River, creates a massive reservoir that adds to the scenic beauty of the region. A boat ride on the reservoir offers breathtaking views of the surrounding hills and the chance to spot crocodiles basking on the banks. Section 5 Rayalaseema Haven for the Great Indian Bustard. For birdwatchers and conservationists, a visit to the Rayalaseema Wildlife Sanctuary is a must. This sanctuary is renowned for being one of the last remaining habitats of the endangered Great Indian Bustard, the heaviest flying bird in the world. The sanctuary's grasslands and scrub forests provide the ideal habitat for these magnificent birds, making it a critical site for their conservation. Apart from the Great Indian Bustard, the sanctuary is also home to a variety of other bird species, making it a paradise for birdwatching. Visitors can spot eagles soaring overhead, colourful bee-eaters flitting through the trees, and flocks of migratory birds that grace the sanctuary during the winter months. Section 6 Handri Neva, a lifeline and a landscape transformed. The Handri Neva Sujala Sravanti project, a massive irrigation project, stands as a testament to human ingenuity and its impact on the landscape. This ambitious project, which involved linking rivers and constructing canals, has transformed the arid regions of Kurnool into fertile lands. The project has not only brought prosperity to the region, but has also created a new ecosystem, attracting a variety of birds and animals. A drive along the canals of the Handri Neva project offers a unique perspective on the region's transformation. Lush green fields now stretch as far as the eye can see, a stark contrast to the arid landscape that once defined the region. The project is a testament to the power of human endeavour to overcome adversity and create a better future. Section 7 Pavani Island, an oasis of tranquility. In the midst of the Tungabhadra River lies Pavani Island, a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle of city life. This picturesque island, accessible by boat, offers a serene escape for those seeking respite from the everyday grind. The island is dotted with resorts, offering comfortable accommodation and a range of recreational activities. Visitors to Pavani Island can indulge in a variety of water sports, including boating, kayaking, and jet skiing. The island also has a well-maintained park, perfect for leisurely walks and picnics. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow over the river, Pavani Island transforms into a magical wonderland, perfect for a romantic getaway or a peaceful evening with loved ones. Section 8, Mahanandi Ancient Temple, Timeless Beauty. Just a short drive from Kurnool lies the ancient Mahanandi Temple, a testament to the region's rich spiritual heritage. This temple, dedicated to Lord Shiva, is one of the 9 Nandis, or bulls, that are said to have sprung from the body of Lord Shiva. The temple's serene ambience and intricate carvings attract devotees and tourists alike. Surrounding the Mahanandi Temple are lush green forests, home to a variety of medicinal herbs and plants. The forests are ideal for leisurely walks, offering a chance to connect with nature and escape the heat. The air is filled with the sound of birdsong, creating a symphony of nature that soothes the soul. Section 9, Kurnool's Climate, a Tropical Tapestry. Kurnool experiences a tropical climate characterized by hot summers and mild winters. The city receives most of its rainfall during the monsoon season, which lasts from June to September. The summer months, from March to May, can be quite hot, with temperatures soaring above 40 degrees Celsius. Despite the hot summers, Kurnool's climate supports a diverse range of flora and fauna. The Nalamala Hills in particular are home to a rich biodiversity, with dense forests teeming with life. The region's rivers and reservoirs also support a variety of aquatic life, making it a haven for nature enthusiasts.